Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is of what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, beautiful people. So now I'm cooking breakfast. And on this particular morning, I had eggs and toast. It was a really simple breakfast. However, it was good and it was high in protein. And guys, I'm currently on a weight loss journey, self-care journey, and just trying to do better overall. And I cook breakfast at home 98% of the time. And I try to make sure I have me a breakfast high in protein. Okay, my chat partners. So now that I had breakfast and my morning snack, it's time for me to work out. Guys, I haven't worked out in a long time. I've been going through a lot lately mentally. However, I'm getting back on track and getting my mind together and focusing back on Dionne. It's a process. So on this particular morning, I did a step workout. And what I did was I just moved my body, to open my mind up, to open my heart up, my lungs, open my limbs, to just move and burn some calories. So the workout was pretty simple. I had to push myself and keep going. However, I got through it, and I was so proud of myself in the end. Salad. So I have some washed shredded lettuce. Get a little bit of rice. Some black beans. Corn. Some taco meat. Ground turkey with taco seasoning on it. Some vegan cheese. Taco salad. Okay, my chat partner, so now I'm getting ready to cook dinner. So what I'm going to do is I have this salmon that I had marinating in some soyaki sauce. So I'm going to cook the salmon. I also have some cauliflower rice and I have some boiling bag rice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one boiling bag rice and boil it, and I'm going to mix it with the cauliflower, because I did see something on someone's YouTube channel. They were saying, like, whenever you're in a weight loss journey, self-care journey, or just trying to eat better, you want to incorporate as many vegetables as possible. So mixing the rice cauliflower with the regular rice, it helps because you're actually eating vegetables as well. So you're not eating so much rice. And I also have this coleslaw kit, and it has green cabbage, red cabbage, carrots. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this coleslaw kit with the cauliflower rice and the balsamic rice. Also, guys, I'm going to add some avocado. So I guess I'm going to be making somewhat of a salmon bowl. Okay, my chat partners, we have come to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoy my what I ate in a day video to lose weight. I showed you guys what I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also for a snack. Guys, this video also included a step workout. I really do hope you guys enjoy. Guys, thank you all so much if you are subscribed to my channel and for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you that like my videos and comment. It's a process, guys, and I'm pushing myself to be a better Dionne and to take better care of myself overall. It's just right now, I've just been going through a lot lately, and I'm overcoming it and pushing through it. And me getting back on track with exercising and eating better and being mindful of what I'm eating is key. This video is very realistic, guys, and I am doing the best that I can to get better each and every day. Thank you all so much, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great, and as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.